Yeah, hi, it's Mark at FMAV, just to let you know that I've done your laser and it's all repaired and ready to ship now. I've just shown you, you know, it's playing on track 6 at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll go up in the tracks. Well, I'll go back on the tracks so you can see. So I'll start at track 2. Just turn that up. I'm just using a set of headphones at the moment. It's easier to do it like this. Right, so what I'll do, right, okay, I'll just put a display on this so you can see it's CD2, which is track 2. Right, so I'm going to go up to higher track up there, and we just see how quick that goes up and goes in, and you can see that it's gone straight into a track. Now normally to test a laser, what I do is I'll go up and down on the tracks to make sure they don't jump or there's any free play in there. And this is like really nice and tight on that, so it's you know, it's passed my test. You know, I've had it on test for about 6, well no, probably about 8 hours to be honest with you, because I've been listening to it while I've been working. So I'm just going to put in another CD for you, right? So you can see the CD I'm taking out there, right? I'll put another one of these in there, so I'll put that one in there. It's got a white label on it. So we'll put that in, let that spin up so you can see it go straight into a track, and it's playing. So we'll go onto the display so you can see the track. So it's 6, 7, 8 seconds into the track. So again, I'm going to bounce up to one of these tracks up here. So we'll go right up, we'll go fast. Track 10, perfect. Track 13. Perfect, go straight in. So yeah, that's all done. As soon as I get payment, I'll send that out to you. I'll send that out depending on the postal cost, on how I send that. I think you're probably looking at parcel force 48/24. I'll see what the lady's going to charge me. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you have many years of fun with your stereo. Yeah, it's all in good condition. It's as it was packaged, and yeah, I've used gloves. I always use gloves, special rubber gloves, when I do repairs. So I hope you have many years of fun. Thank you very much.